Now this intro may not be correlated with the video, but I just wanted to test myself. Try something new. You know, while we're at it, let's try something new with your notifications. Now, if you're like me, you want notifications for certain apps. And ZTE has some pretty intense battery management. It kills a lot in the background. It's quite frustrating. For example, it would always kill the Google Discover feed when using Nova Launcher. I would always have to reset the integration or get the Google Companion running in the foreground. I always found it frustrating because I used the Discover feed. But when I found out this neat tech tip, it changed the whole game for me. Now, a lot of you may already know a way, but this is an easier way for those who just don't want to go that route. So you're going to get the app in question up in the foreground. I'm using Netflix for an example. You can do this with any app that you're not receiving notifications from. Once you've got the app open, swipe up into your recent page. Then you're going to swipe down on it like so. This locks it to run in the background, so you can receive your notifications. Now, there is a more complicated way with a few extra steps, but this is just easier. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this short educational video and found it very informative, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on some tech hacks. As always, much love, and I'll see you soon. Peace.